Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to look into a NFO video of Edelweiss. So Edelweiss has started a new fund. So the new fund offer is going on in Edelweiss, and the fund is Edelweiss Small Cap Fund. So this fund NFO period is from Jan 18 2019 to Feb 1st 2019. So this will be ending on this Friday. So we'll get in and see the details of this small cap fund. So let's get started. So this is an open-ended scheme predominantly investing in small cap stocks. So invest in Edelweiss Small Cap Fund in small steps through a unique smart trigger enabled plan. So they have used a unique plan strategy to invest in this small cap stocks, so which helps you to invest in a staggered manner and mitigates market timing risk. So small caps in small steps. So the STEP means smart trigger enabled plan. So what is smart here? Through STEP facility, investors can spread their investment in Edelweiss Small Cap Fund in 5 equal monthly installments. What is trigger enabled? So under this feature, 20% of the application money will be invested upfront in the small cap fund. What is plan here? Remaining 80% will be invested in Edelweiss liquid fund and will switch to Edelweiss small cap fund in 4 equal monthly installments on market dips. So basically our money will, as we invest, 20% will be invested immediately, and the rest 80% will be in the liquid fund and will be gradually invested as the market dips. So the allotment will be on Feb. So the first investment, 20% investment in Edelweiss Small Cap Fund directly. Remaining 80% will be invested in Edelweiss Liquid Fund Growth option and will be subsequently switched into Edelweiss Small Cap Fund. So February, the first investment, 20% will be invested in directly into the small cap fund, and the rest 80% will be in the liquid fund, and it will be subsequently switched from liquid fund to the small cap fund. In March, the second installment, 20%. So 3% fall in small cap index from the date of allotment or on the last business day of the month if trigger does not hit. So the second installment, which is 20%, will be invested if the small cap index falls 3% or on the last day of the business month if trigger does not hit. Then the third installment, 20% will be invested in which if the small cap index goes down by 3% from the date of allotment or on the last day of business of the month if the trigger does not hit. So if the in small cap index doesn't go less than more than 3% before the end of that month, it will automatically invest into the small cap fund from the liquid fund. The same way, the fourth installment and the fifth installment, if the small cap index doesn't go by 3%, doesn't go down by 3%, the amount will be invested directly into the small cap fund on the last business day of that month. So why invest in a small cap mutual fund? So relatively higher alpha. So quality small caps outperform as they show stronger earnings growth compared to large caps. Out of 870 stocks in BSE Small Cap Index, more than 400 stocks covered by less than 5 analysts, providing edge to fund manager in the generating alpha. Wider scope to invest. So over 2500 stocks are available in small cap segment across many unique sectors not covered by large caps. So the sectors are more in small cap when compared to the large cap. So the investment objective of this Edelweiss Small Cap Fund is that the investment objective of the scheme is to generate long-term capital appreciation from a portfolio that predominantly invests in equity and equity-related securities of small cap companies. Investment strategy. So invest predominantly in small cap companies that are compounding stories with reasonable growth prospects, high quality business with strong return ratios, operating in niche environment, and eye on equity, higher degree of due diligence. They aim to benefit from both sources of return, are like compounding of the earnings and valuation of re-rating. Asset allocation. So 65% to 100% into equity and equity related securities of small cap companies, 0 to 35% into equity and equity related securities of other companies, and 0 to 35% into money market instruments. We'll look into the details of this fund. So exit load. If the units are redeemed or switched out on or before 365 days from the date of allotment, 1% will be charged, and if the units are redeemed or switched out after 365 days from the date of allotment, there is no exit load charged. So if you'll do the redemption within 1 year, 1% will be charged, and if you'll do it after the 365 days from the date of allotment, there is no exit load charged. So MICR checks till end of business hours on Feb 1st 2019. So if you want to invest it before the NFO closes, then checks are accepted till end of business hour on Feb 1st, that is Friday. RTGS and transfers checks also will be accepted till the business hours of on February 1st. Switches from equity schemes and other schemes, Feb 1st 2009 till cutoff time specified for switch outs in the source scheme. Plans and options. So direct and regular plans with growth and dividend payout and sweep options. Minimum application amount is 5,000 rupees. So the fund manager is Mr. Harshad Patwardhan, and the benchmark for this fund is Nifty Small Cap 250 TRI, which is TR index. The riskometer. So, and who should invest? So Edelweiss Small Cap Fund is suitable for investors who are seeking long-term capital appreciation and investment predominantly in equity and equity related securities of small cap companies, and the riskometer is high in this fund. So this is the new fund which the fund offer is going on and will be ending another 1 day. So if you want to invest, you all can go ahead, or if you all want to see the portfolio and then invest, and you all can wait till the allotment date, and then after the portfolio released, you can start investing. So the minimum amount is 5,000 rupees here. So as I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.